Hello everyone, today we are going to make Harley Quinn's gun. She uses this gun in the movie Suicide Squad. Building this gun is pretty straightforward, but it has some cool details. Let's get started right away. As always, the template can be found in the description of this video. Print it out and cut it into pieces as shown here. The cylinder of this revolver is quite similar to the one on Sparkle's gun. So be sure to watch that video as well if you want to see how to make the rotating cylinder. I didn't include a bearing this time as I wanted it to use the friction between the rod and the foam. This way you can actually set the gun on love or hate. Now let's start by making the base of the gun. Since this is a pretty small gun, I tried using mostly scrap foam pieces. For the body I used 2x 10mm EVA foam. The handle I made from white EVA foam, this makes it easier to paint. This is made from 4x 5mm EVA foam, but making it slightly thicker is also fine. It's whatever you prefer. Glue the pieces together and then we will start cutting some holes into it. You can cut the holes out with a box cutter and then Dremel them smooth afterwards, or just use your Dremel to do everything. This can be pretty hard, so take your time. You can also round off the edges of the handle for a comfortable grip. Now let's take a look at all the details we need to add to this gun. For the tactical rails I used 5mm EVA foam. Just cut small rectangular pieces and glue them all together or straight onto the gun base. The sight is made from 5mm EVA foam sandwiched between 2mm EVA foam pieces. The hammer and the trigger can also be made from 5mm EVA foam. But if you want them to be a bit more sturdy, 10mm would also be fine. Now onto the last foam detail we need to make, the sight of the gun. I used 2 layers of 2mm EVA foam. On the top layer we need to create the diamond shapes. I'll be using this type of X-Acto knife for it. Just press it straight down into the foam. This will make sure every side of the diamond shape is perfect. Once you've finished cutting, just peel them away with your fingertips and you're good to go. Glue the pieces together and then Dremel some of the edges with a 45-degree angle. You can add some more details to the side by making small cuts. Now it's time to glue everything together. Lastly, we need to create the barrel hole. I just used my Dremel to make a hole into the front. I didn't make it all the way through, so it looks a little bit more fake. I won't go over all the painting steps, but remember to first heat seal your foam and to use a primer before painting it. Once you are done painting, it should look a little bit like this. And that's it for today. Please like, comment and subscribe to support us. Zenless Zone Zero released like a week ago and I've been playing it way too much. This game has some epic character designs, so expect some ZZZ cosplay builds to be coming out pretty soon. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.